Welcome back to TechXplorer, your go-to channel for the latest in mobile technology. Today, we are diving deep into the POCO F7 Ultra, a flagship killer that's set to redefine performance and value in the smartphone market. With a stunning 6.67-inch 2K OLED display, the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, a 50MP triple camera system with OIS and 8K video recording, and a massive 6000 mAh battery with 120W fast charging, this phone packs a serious punch. But does it have what it takes to dominate the competition? Let's find out. The POCO F7 Ultra strikes a perfect balance between elegance and durability. The phone features a premium glass back with a subtle matte finish that resists fingerprints, paired with an aluminum frame for added sturdiness. Weighing in at just 198 grams and with a thickness of 8.4 millimeters, the POCO F7 Ultra feels comfortable in the hand despite packing a massive battery. The camera module has a sleek, futuristic design that integrates seamlessly into the back panel, and the phone is available in obsidian black, frosted silver, and sunburst blue. The POCO F7 Ultra 6.67-inch 2K OLED display is a visual treat. With a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+, and peak brightness of 1800 nits, it delivers stunningly vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent visibility in bright sunlight. The 3200x1440 resolution ensures everything from streaming to gaming looks incredibly sharp. And with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection, the display is more resistant to scratches and drops, making it ideal for everyday use. At the heart of the POCO F7 Ultra is the brand new Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, Qualcomm's fastest and most efficient chip to date. With a clock speed of 3.4 GHz, it offers unmatched performance for multitasking, gaming, and AI-based tasks. The phone comes with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage, ensuring lightning-fast app launches and smooth performance. Gaming enthusiasts will love the Adreno 750 GPU, which delivers stunning graphics and smooth frame rates even in the most demanding titles like Genshin Impact or Call of Duty Mobile. Additionally, the vapor chamber cooling system ensures the phone stays cool during extended gaming sessions or heavy multitasking. The POCO F7 Ultra's 50MP triple camera setup is designed to capture every moment in stunning detail. The main sensor features optical image stabilization, OIS, ensuring sharp photos even in low light. The 50MP ultrawide lens offers a 120-degree field of view, perfect for landscapes and group shots. Rounding out the setup is a 12MP telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom, which is great for capturing distant subjects. When it comes to video, the POCO F7 Ultra supports 8K recording at 30 frames per second, delivering cinematic quality footage. The 20MP front-facing camera handles selfies and video calls with ease, offering excellent detail and natural skin tones. Whether it's day or night, the camera performance is top-notch. The POCO F7 Ultra houses a massive 6000 mAh battery, ensuring it can easily last 1.5 to 2 days on a single charge, even with heavy use. For power users, the phone supports 120W wired fast charging, taking it from 0 to 100% in just 20 minutes. Additionally, it offers 50W wireless charging, one of the fastest in its class, and 10W reverse wireless charging for topping up other devices. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, battery anxiety is a thing of the past with the POCO F7 Ultra. The POCO F7 Ultra runs on MIUI 15 for POCO, based on Android 14, delivering a smooth and feature-rich user experience. The software is highly customizable, with options to tweak the UI, animations, and even the always-on display. Exclusive features include Game Turbo Mode, which optimizes performance and minimizes distractions during gaming, and AI Live Caption, which automatically generates captions for videos and calls. Plus, the phone is free of unnecessary bloatware, offering a clean and streamlined experience. The POCO F7 Ultra is packed with additional features. The side-mounted fingerprint scanner is fast and reliable, while the stereo speakers, tuned by Dolby Atmos, deliver rich, immersive audio. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, dual SIM support, and 5G connectivity for blazing fast download speeds. The phone also features an IP68 rating, making it dustproof and water-resistant. Starting at $599, the POCO F7 Ultra offers flagship-level specs at a mid-range price, making it a true value for money device. It goes head-to-head with competitors like the OnePlus 12 and the Samsung Galaxy S24, but its combination of a 2K OLED display, Snapdragon 8 Elite, and 120W fast charging sets it apart. For anyone looking for top-tier performance without breaking the bank, the POCO F7 Ultra is hard to beat. So, is the POCO F7 Ultra the ultimate flagship killer? With its stunning display, cutting-edge performance, versatile cameras, and incredible battery life, it ticks almost every box. If you're looking for a phone that delivers flagship performance at a fraction of the price, the POCO F7 Ultra is an excellent choice. What are your thoughts? Is this the phone you have been waiting for? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Explorer for more in-depth reviews and the latest in tech. Until next time, stay curious and stay tech-savvy.